This is Christina Fiore of MedPage Today reporting from the APA meeting in Honolulu. Despite the need for more therapeutic options, the pharmaceutical pipeline for psychiatric drugs has been shrinking. Now, there are a host of reasons for that, including the lack of full understanding of the pathophysiology of some conditions, the poor predictive value of animal models, and early phase trials that are rushed through. For some context on the situation, I talked to Dr. Donald Hilty, who is the vice chair of the scientific committee here.
We develop animal models for treatment of depression, for example, but they are not always the same as treating actual patients. So with the pressure on companies to develop products, they rush through them. It's not that they're doing anything wrong per se, it's just that they really have to get these things to the market. And what this has led to, in addition, the cost has led to mergers. And so we're seeing companies reduce the risk of this money spending by merging.
There's a dearth of new drugs for all psychiatric conditions, but some are feeling the squeeze more than others, Hilty said.
The one area that is really missing is the treatment of bipolar patients, because over time we borrowed the antipsychotics for treatment, we also borrowed the anti-seizure medications for treatment, and we've borrowed the antidepressants for treatment. So even though the bipolars are fewer in number, they have very bad outcomes, including suicide. So there's really never been a pipeline for bipolar disorder, and that's something we may need to do.
Better collaboration between industry, academia, and government may help improve this situation.
The National Institute of Mental Health has started doing its own studies in schizophrenia and depression, so our field is owning or embracing the studies rather than just relying on pharmaceuticals. And these are big studies, for example, 50 million in one study. And I wonder if at some point we might develop our own pipeline through NIMH or as a collaborative network, and that would complement the pharmaceuticals.
At the APA meeting in Honolulu, I'm Christina Fiore, MedPage Today.